Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make Nigerian buns. Nigerian buns are those type of sweet fried snack that are popular in West Africa. They are crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Without further ado, let's dive into the video so I can show you how I came up with these sweet Nigerian buns you are seeing right here. Yes, we have just few recipes for this Nigerian buns, of which all-purpose flour is one of them. Everything I am using here has been measured out. Please do check them down in the description box. Alright, for the dry recipes, I've got all-purpose flour as you can see, and I will be adding baking powder and nut milk, and I'm going to shave all of them to avoid any unwanted agents. Once that is done, I will go ahead to add some powdered sugar. Please use any sugar of your choice, and then followed with a pinch of salt. Afterwards, I will mix all the dry recipes to combine. Next is to start adding our wet recipes, of which we are starting with butter. Okay, you can combine all the wet recipes or add them one after the other. There is no problem about that. After adding the butter, we will mix it to the dry recipes to combine. Please, for the butter, you can use any butter of your choice, but for me, I am using margarine. You can use melted butter, there is no problem about that. But when it comes to Nigerian buns, margarine is the best. Yeah, it is the best, and there's no two ways about it. Once I'm done mixing the butter, next is to add one egg, of which I will be beating it together before adding it. Afterwards, I will go ahead to add my liquid milk. You can use any milk of your choice, there is no problem about that. And I will add the liquid milk bit by bit. This is about 2 batches because I have measured it already and set aside before now. And same thing goes to the water. No Nigerian buns without water. They can omit milk but can never omit water, because there is a special thing water does to Nigerian buns. It is very important to add your wet recipes little by little so as to come out with the best consistency of dough needed for the buns. After mixing the water, this is the perfect texture or consistency of buns dough I am looking for. A bit sticky and stretchy, okay, not rocky at all. I will need it a bit. You don't need to over knead buns dough. The way it should look is the way you are seeing it right on the video. That is the right way it should look. It shouldn't look smooth at all. Once I'm done doing this now, I will cover it to rest for just 2 minutes. Don't allow it to overrest. Next, place your vegetable oil on the heat, plenty enough for the frying. This is the spoon I'm using. I will dip it right inside the vegetable oil on the plate to avoid the dough from sticking on it. Once the oil preheats, lower the buns inside the oil with the help of the spoon, just like you see me do, or hands. Okay, I like using my hands too, but I have a serious wound on my palms, so for that reason I am using my spoon. Okay, fry on a medium heat, not high heat or low heat. Okay, because if you fry on a high heat, the buns will cook on the outside but not cook on the inside. Why? If you fry on a low heat, the buns will soak oil, which is not good. But if you fry on a medium heat, just as I instructed, the buns will cook both in and out evenly. Just make sure you stay it around to avoid burnt. Okay, if you notice any crack just like you're seeing in the video, it is normal, and that is one of the things that bring the crunchiness in Nigerian buns. Have you liked the video? If no, please do like the video. And here the Nigerian buns is ready. I love those crack on it, they look so beautiful. I just feel like collecting one from the oil and eat it immediately. Just remove it from the heat, place on a paper towel and set aside to cool down a bit. And here is the bun. Do you see the crack on top of it? That is one thing that takes the taste of these buns to another level. Even if you go to where they sell it, people first of all point those ones that have crack before the one that does not have crack. If you know, you know. If you don't know, forget about it. Here you can enjoy this street snack with any soft or fruit drink or juice of your choice, or any beverages as well. This popular street snack is #1 in all West Africa. You can find it in all roots and corners. Hope you enjoy doing this video with me. Like this video, share this video, and drop your comments. Subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video from me and all my crew. Thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we shall see you in our next video. Bye bye.